It be a buck. Your chance of running is empty. These hoes will leave it orange like a chip slipping. I'm so on the low and taking Navy SEAL to get me when I surface. If not chips and vengeance, the purpose on your team. I put a curtain, a beautiful hurting. Till my eyes see the blood, that mean the creeps start working. Cats are never learning, let their eyes keep lurking. Have your limits pumping, your X5 murking. Skip off the street, heart skip the beat. Beef, kid, I overcooked that meat. Get no sleep, only rest is in between the blink. My life story was written in blood, permanent ink, and instinct. You gotta think like that, cause forever I'll be needing them. Playing flawless, mistakes never beating them. Some love me, some hate me, chickens in the head beating them. Cowards wanna ride by the crib all slow. Clap, you want a real rap show? It's a rush when the blow, threaten my castle. And in the blink, watch how quick life pass you.
Yeah.